Thank you for joining me at Passing Time with Nisi, or Niece, as some people do know me. Today we're going to cover the topic of my favorite smoothie, after working out, that is. I love this smoothie because it keeps me full, and it's healthy, and helps me not to maybe overindulge on unhealthy breakfasts. And as we know, break fast is when we break our fast from sleeping overnight and the last meal that we had the day before. So it doesn't matter if it's first thing in the morning. It doesn't matter if it's late in the day. The first meal to break your fast with, this is a great one, especially after you do work out. So we're going to share that recipe with you. I'll show you how to make it. And then I'll also at the end give you a life hack that I figured out on how to clean my smoothie equipment. Oftentimes it gets very gunky, and even though you wash it, you'll smell it, and like within days it will smell like leftover old smoothie, which nobody wants. So I'll show you my life hack that I figured out with that, and look forward to spending time with you today. So without further ado, here we go.
Let's start by gathering all of the ingredients we need for our smoothie. 1 organic banana, a half organic avocado, organic almond butter, coconut yogurt, organic chia seeds, organic almond milk, green tea matcha powder, organic gelatin powder, and organic cinnamon. Feel free to pause right here if you want to write down the recipe. Now let's go ahead and put together our smoothie. After putting in my banana and my half avocado, I'm going to add the almond milk because I want to fill it up to about halfway. Chug, 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 chug. Now I'm adding my tablespoon of green tea, my cinnamon, my gelatin, and my chia seeds. Now let's add our coconut yogurt. Scoop it all out real good. We will now add our almond butter. Lastly, we'll fill up the cup with water to the maximum liquid fill line. If you want it to be thick, less water. If you want it to be thin, more water. Also, if you want it a little sweeter, feel free to add some agave. I have been using my Ninja blender for 4 years now and really do love it. The setting that is perfect for this smoothie is the smoothie setting. Now we are ready to pour and drink. I like using these fancy glasses. It makes me feel special, even with a smoothie. Now let's talk about my life hack. It's all about my smoothie equipment, and I figured it out some time ago, and I want to share it. First, you want to wash out your cup, and then you want to wash out your base blade. Next, you want to grab a bottle of Clorox 2 stain remover for laundry. The white or the blue bottle is fine. As you pour it in, it's kind of thick. You pour it over your base as well as your cup. Take it and swirl it around your cup so that it gets the whole cup. You would be surprised where there is leftover residue in your cup. Now you want to leave both pieces to sit for 10 minutes. When you come back, you'll notice that if you check carefully, there's a foam inside of the base of your blade as well as around the parts of your cup. This is due to the Clorox working and getting out leftover residue of food that might still be on both the cup as well as on the blade base. Now you want to rinse everything out very thoroughly. Now place your cup in your dishwasher, and the base will have to be washed by hand.
Okay, so keep in mind that the smoothie is very filling, so you probably should only do 1 a day. Secondly, if you don't have organic ingredients, that's fine. You can substitute for non-organic, totally fine. But I hope that I've added some value to your life with my video today, and until we actually do this again, stay safe, live well, and be blessed. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.